Keep that. You okay? What's wrong?
What's wrong, Judy? We're here. We got you. We taking care of you. You having a nightmare?
What's wrong?
You having a nightmare? What the hell was that?
What was that?
What the hell?
I don't know what that was.